far now? You kept me waiting.
Sorry.
I beg, how far now? All your friends, where them dey?
Nice.
Why you know them know the role again?
No.
Hey.
Let's say wake up.
Priscilla.
Yeah.
Hey.
Even Jessica that got married last week.
Uh-huh.
She's a prostitute.
Jessica.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
God.
her husband is trying to
Divorce.
her.
So you mean all these your friends that you were in the same hostel with, the same room for 4 years? One of them hook up, the other one no fit sustain in marriage, the other one too na digital prostitute.
It's not what I do now.
Them get saying you say show me your friend, make I show you your behavior. I beg. You see, you know what fit be say you never do something. Your friends, no. I'm not gonna feel risk out, Charlie. Because few days to our wedding. See, man.
Forget about them.
It's not about them. It's not about forget about them, man. The fact that your friends are Ashao, the other one is hook up. Obvious. You even computed my thing. I beg, come on. You even computed my thing.
Yeah.
I beg, come out. I know they do this thing again. I don't call off this wedding. How? Which proof you go fit? How you go fit defend this? Person where you them day for one hostel, one room. You dey cook together. You dey go class together for 4 years. So their attitude no enter you.
No.
You be romances. Come out.
Yeah.
Now me you go come tell me this thing. Come on. Come out. Rubbish. Leave my door alone now. Rubbish.